A career can be defined as a profession, business, or work that everyone does in order to make a livelihood in this world. We might also argue that a profession is a path that everyone takes in order to achieve his or her goals and objectives in life. In the 21st century, the word career has become a hostility for the young aspirants. The online digital world is brimming with polls and articles in which people's careers are portrayed as a source of confusion. Only a small fraction of people in the world are successful in their professions or business, while the majority of people struggle to make ends meet. Let us start from the beginning. The goal of this video is to determine the main cause of a failing career and to offer the best solution in the most straightforward and effective manner possible. When the journey of career starts in the individual's life, the individual probably faces three most difficult yet powerful challenges, such as forced career by parents, career in the same field as others, career based on personal interest. Without a doubt, we can all agree that the parent factor plays a significant part in a person's career decision. Parents pressure their children to pursue a career or profession that they believe is best for them. Individuals do not have a choice but to accept their parents' decision. They choose a career route without considering their interests, abilities, or desires. They complete their studies and begin their careers. They gradually realize that they were working in the wrong profession and that their true passion and talent lay elsewhere. The individual does not deliver his best, and his success journey becomes extremely difficult. Late in life, the individual realizes his mistake and expresses regret. When we look around the professional world, we will see that the majority of people are stuck in their jobs and have no idea how to restart or which path to choose. When a person selects a career based on the success and fortune of others, little desire or understanding, however, after several years of education and employment, he learns that he is not as successful as other professionals in the same field. He starts hating his decision of choosing a career by looking at others' success. Individuals fell into the trap of anxiety and failure as a result of their guilt. The struggle to find a new career or skills begins all over again in individual life. The majority of people find it extremely difficult to achieve their achievement goals, while just a few people are fortunate enough to rediscover success after a long period of failure. The few people in the world who choose a career or profession based on their interest and education have been the most successful in history or contemporary times. These individuals have a distinct attitude and approach to their career. They have a good understanding of what they are doing and what the end outcome will be in the future. It makes no difference to them who is making the choice, whether it is their parents or others. They motivate people all over the world by demonstrating that nothing is impossible when it comes to achieving one's life goals. So, the perfect career is one that is chosen at the right time and is believed to be genuine. Parents should sit down with their children and discuss their future career options. They should also recognize their children's interests and encourage their choices. When children receive parental support, their self-esteem rises, motivating them to do better in life. Career is a vital aspect of everyone's life, and we should choose it thoughtfully and intelligently. Finally, let me make one more sincere effort to explain things to you using a simple example. We must take a New York aircraft if we wish to visit New York. But if we take London flight, there is no question that we will reach New York. Similarly, if we want to excel in life, we must board the correct career flight.